Civil Service Exam Reviewer, Idioms. Let me know if you can score a perfect 10 out of 10. Instead of fixing the issue, Arlo just kicked the can down the road. A, solved it early. B, delayed dealing with it. C, ignored everyone. D, took the blame. The correct answer is letter B, delayed dealing with it. Kick the can down the road means postponing a problem instead of solving it. When Lana tried to submit the report too early, Ken told her to hold her horses. A, hurry up. B, calm down and wait. C, rewrite everything. D, ask for approval. The correct answer is letter B, calm down and wait. Hold your horses means slow down or be patient. Isaac promised to leave no stone unturned while reviewing the missing documents. A, do sloppy work. B, look everywhere carefully. C, search only the obvious places. D, ask for help. The correct answer is letter B, look everywhere carefully. Leave no stone unturned means examining every possibility. Daphne added fuel to the fire by blaming the team during the meeting. A, made the situation worse. B, fixed the problem. C, ignored the issue. D, started a new project. The correct answer is letter A, made the situation worse. Add fuel to the fire means intensifying a bad situation. Excuses from Rico are a dime a dozen during audit season. A, rare. B, extremely common. C, very expensive. D, somewhat believable. The correct answer is letter B, extremely common. A dime a dozen means something is very easy to find and not special. Zara asked the team to get the ball rolling on the new compliance checklist. A, stop everything. B, begin the task. C, change strategies. D, avoid responsibility. The correct answer is letter B, begin the task. Get the ball rolling means to start a project or activity. Evan kept arguing about a decision that was already settled. He was beating a dead horse. A, fixing the issue efficiently. B, wasting time on something settled. C, starting a new conflict. D, making progress. The correct answer is letter B, wasting time on something settled. Beat a dead horse means arguing about something that can't be changed. May always goes the extra mile for quality assurance. A, does only what's required. B, works less to save energy. C, makes minimal effort. D, puts in extra effort. The correct answer is letter D, puts in extra effort. Go the extra mile means doing more than expected. Cole missed the boat when he ignored the earlier funding proposal. A, made the perfect choice. B, missed an opportunity. C, overreacted. D, took credit. The correct answer is letter B, missed an opportunity. Missed the boat means failing to act in time. Everyone kept talking, but Jenna finally mentioned the elephant in the room, the budget shortfall. A, a fun topic. B, a very obvious problem no one wants to talk about. C, a small detail. D, a secret. The correct answer is letter B, a very obvious problem no one wants to talk about. Elephant in the room means a big issue everyone avoids discussing. Did you get 10 out of 10?